Today we are working on Excel lesson 4, fifth lesson, using colors and patterns. So this is the document you should have opened up. The first thing we will do is add a background color to the worksheet title. So select cells A1 to A2. On the Home tab in the font group, click the arrow for fill color. Here's your fill color. Live Preview works with the fill colors. That is, the background of the selected cells temporarily changes to display that color until you move on to another color. So it wants you to point to various colors to see the different effects of what it would look like. Click light green, fifth from the left in the standard colors. So this one right here is light green. So select that one. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Now add a pattern and a background color to a range of cells. Select cells A18 to C23. On the Home tab in the Cells group, click Format. Right over here, here's your Cells group. We're going to click Format. And then we're going to click Format Cells down at the bottom. In the Format Cells dialog box, click the Fill tab. So right here, we're going to click that tab right there. And then click the Pattern Style arrow, which is this arrow right here. Click 6.25% gray, far right in the top row. 6.25% gray, it's that one right there. In the background color section, click blue accent color. Blue accent 1 lighter 80%. Fifth column from the left, second row from the top. Fifth column from the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row from the top. Click. So it's that one right there. And then click OK. Mark that as answered. Go to the next one. Add a background color to the hotel section of the itinerary. Select cells A14 to H16, so this whole section right here. And on the Home tab in the font group, click the arrow for fill color and select yellow from the standard colors. So it's that one right there. This choice did not appear to fit with the rest of the worksheet, so remove the fill color. With those cells still selected on the Home tab in the font group, click the arrow for the fill color and then click no fill, and that takes that away. The completed worksheet should look similar to the following example. So this is what it should look like, and you can see that's what ours does look like. So we know we've done it correctly, so mark that as answered, submit it, submit results. There it is. So this completes using colors and patterns.